Introducing FeedControl, the revolutionary toolpath simulation and optimization solution designed to make high-efficiency machining effortless. Imagine achieving expert-level results without advanced skills. With FeedControl, it's not only possible, it's simple. Here's how it works. FeedControl uses cutting-edge physics-based chip modeling to analyze every aspect of your machining operation. From material properties to part geometry and tool capabilities, FeedControl optimizes every toolpath to ensure safe, consistent, and efficient performance. And the best part? It's seamlessly integrated within Siemens NX CAM. No need for extra software, no disruption to your workflow. Just a few clicks and your optimized programs are ready, securely and directly within your existing environment. For shops facing skills gaps or looking to boost productivity, FeedControl is a game changer. It empowers CAM programmers of all experience levels to produce reliable, predictable machining operations. The result? Greater output, reduced downtime, and peace of mind that your tools and machines are working at their best. With FeedControl, you get maximized machining efficiency, seamless integration with your digital thread, enhanced security with local installation, and expert-level toolpaths all at your fingertips. Backed by nearly 2 decades of machining science and material expertise, FeedControl ensures consistent chip formation, the key to superior machining performance. From heat evacuation to tool longevity, every detail is optimized for success. It's time to make the leap to smarter, safer, and more efficient machining. It's time for FeedControl. FeedControl, machining efficiency redefined.